not going to be too long. So let's jump straight into it. All right. So the first thing what we are going to do is get some fresh organic cucumber like this. All right. That's the cucumber which we're going to be using. All right. And I know you guys will love this. So quickly, recipe is not going to be complicated. All right. And we're going to get some fresh pineapple inside of it. All right. So it's pineapple, cucumber, ginger, and some fresh organic lime juice. All right. And what we're going to do, I'm going to show you to put some fresh organic ginger inside of it, because the ginger is amazing in weight loss. So we're going to put a few pieces of ginger inside of it. All right. Then secondly, we're going to squeeze some lime juice inside of it. All right. So I'm using worth about 1 key lime. Now I'm going to tell you the honest truth. You can use more if you like to. Lovely. And now we're going to add 1 cup of water. Now, if you like, you can put some organic honey, but it doesn't need it. You can simple cover it like this, and it'll be like this. So pineapple, cucumber, ginger, and key lime. Very simple recipe. And what we're going to do, we're going to blend it. All right, we're going to make some noise and blend it. So here it goes. My simple. Excellent. Once you blend it, it doesn't complicate it. All right. Pour it out into your glass. And you can drink this 2 times a day for 1 week, and you will see improvement in your weight at home. Beautiful recipe, very simple, very unique, and I hopefully you guys will love this one. All right, as I said, we have so much recipes coming out for you, so much ideas, and I'm going to tell you, this one is one of them. It is a summertime, and a lot of people like to do different things in the summer, and this is a recipe I'm dedicating to you guys today. Enjoy the recipe, big up on yourself every time, and bless, man. Catch you now with the next one. Big up to the channel every time. Good vibes, people. All right. Yeah. Also, remember, you can get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. A good vibes. Bless upon yourself, people, and I'll soon with the next one. Bye-bye.